Welcome back to my channel, my loves. I really hope you guys are doing great. So I'm back with another makeup tutorial, and this makeup is super easy to recreate. So if you guys are interested in how I created this makeup, then please keep on watching. So first of all, I am going to be priming my face with the Smashbox primer, which looks like this. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation. I am going to be using this foundation right here. This one is the Milani foundation, and it's currently my favorite foundation. Like, I love this foundation. It's like full coverage, so it's 2-in-1. So basically you could use this as a concealer as well, and it will work perfectly. So yeah, so far this is my favorite from the drugstore. So I'm just going to apply some on my hand. Then I'm just going to apply some concealer. This one is the Super Skin concealer. This one is by Maybelline, which looks like this. And I'm just going to be applying some under my eyes. So once I'm done with that, I am gonna go ahead and bronze my face with this bronzer right here. This one is called Peach Bronzer Sun Kissed by Urban Decay. This is new. I just got it not that long ago. And I can open this. It looks like this. So yeah, so far I like it. It's okay. It's not so pigmented though. Like, this is just really light and just like an everyday bronzer. So I'm gonna use this brush right here. It looks like this. Recently I've been using this brush to contour my nose. Before I didn't really used to contour my nose as much, but now I do for some reason. So now for blush, I'm going to be using my NARS blush. So it looks like this. It comes with two separate ones. This is more like a shimmer, like bronze blush, if that makes sense. So it does have like a little bit of a glow. So now I'm going to start doing my eyes, which is not going to be much. But like I said, this is like my go-to makeup. So yeah. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and use this palette right here. This one is by Jaclyn Hill, and this one. So this is how the palette looks. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this color right here. This one is like a really nice light brown. So basically I'm just going to be applying that right on the crease of my eyes. So like so. To be applying this one right here. I don't know if you guys could see it. It's like a white shimmer eyeshadow. I don't know if you guys are able to see that, but it's right here. And I'm just going to be applying that shimmer right in the inner corners of my eyes, like so. I really like doing this because it just makes me look awake and like natural. So basically there's times where I just leave my makeup like this. I would just legit just curl my lashes and put some mascara on and I'm good to go. But in this case I am going to be applying some eyeliner and some lashes. So yeah. So I'm gonna start by applying the eyeliner. This one is by Huda Beauty and so far I like it. I just love the fact that it's two sides. So this one is the eyeliner. Oh, this one is the eyeliner, and in the other side, I just like this so much. It's so convenient. It has like an eyeliner, like a regular eyeliner. The eyeliner, it's good. I like the fact that it's really matte and it's good. This is going to be hard for me to do on camera, but I'm gonna try my best to actually get how I apply my eyeliner on camera. So yeah, I have a little mirror right here, so hopefully it works. So yeah guys. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my eyelashes. Then I'm just going to be applying some mascara. This mascara is by L'Oreal. Now I'm just going to go ahead and apply some eyeliner right under my lashes. Then I'm just going to be applying a little bit of mascara on my bottom lashes. For lipstick, I am going to be using the Huda Beauty lip liner and her lipstick, which is this one right here. This one is called Board Meeting. That's a weird name, but it's called Board Meeting, and I just love the shade. Like, I feel like this is like the perfect nude for my skin color. So yeah, it looks like this. It's so freaking cute. I just don't like how like this is the whole lipstick, like legit this is it for like 20 something dollars or 20, I don't know. So now I'm just going to be setting my entire face with the Mario Badescu setting spray, which looks like this, and it smells so good. Oh my god, it smells like roses. Like, so we're all done. This is the final look, and honestly I just love it. Like, this is super easy. It won't be easy if you guys are having trouble doing the eyeliner, because I know when I started doing the liquid eyeliner, it was just a struggle, but honestly you guys will be able to do it if you guys just practice and practice. You guys would just get the hang of it. So I feel like the hardest thing about this makeup is just applying the eyeliner. I feel like that's the hardest. So yeah, this is my go-to makeup look. Like I mentioned before, this is usually what I do when I don't have any like ideas on how to do my makeup. So yeah, so I think that's about it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Hopefully you guys are able to try this at home. And yeah, and by the way, I used a few products that are from the drugstore, so yeah, go check that out if you guys haven't checked those few items that I mentioned in this video that are from the drugstore. If you guys would like to try them out, go ahead. So yeah guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.